Welcome to the front line of modern forestry and land development, where raw power meets smart engineering. From rugged hillsides to stubborn stumps, these machines are built to tackle it all. Whether it's extracting timber, clearing land, or prepping fields for planting, each machine in this lineup brings unmatched strength, precision, and efficiency. Let's dive into the tools that are shaping the future of land management. Let's kick things off with the TigerCat 180 Swing Yarder, a game-changer in timber extraction. Despite its compact size, this machine is powerful and mobile, perfect for working on steep or challenging terrain. Thanks to its swing feature and advanced tech, it boosts productivity while minimizing environmental damage. It runs on a turbocharged diesel engine with a massive 420 horsepower, handling thick brush with ease. Safety is also a priority, with features like a roll bar, seat belt, and easy-to-read gauges. Next up, the Laysci F460EI Stump Cutter, built to remove stubborn tree stumps with precision and speed. It's perfect for clearing land for agriculture or urban development. Its powerful cutting system makes land usable again, prepping it for new projects. Here's the chopper roller from Debron. Attached to a tractor, it rolls down and cuts small trees and brush, reaching up to 3 inches in diameter. It's ideal for preparing land, even with its compact size. There's also a version with extra rear blades for added cutting power. The tandem aerator from RanchWorks is up next, designed for land improvement and irrigation. From deep soil breaking to brush clearing, its strong RanchTech blade and heavy-duty build get the job done. Operators can switch between tillage and no-till easily. Then there's the BRAT-28 Disc Trencher. It can tilt its discs in any direction to match the land. Built for tough terrains, it even performs scarification, breaking the soil surface to prep it for planting. The new discs are more efficient and easier to replace. If traditional dozer rakes seem expensive or slow, try the Savanna Rotary Brush Stick Rake. It collects leaves, stumps, and roots fast, processing 4 to 6 acres per hour. It even separates soil from wood for clean burning or biofuel. Need a full-featured planting solution? Meet the BRA-P1A planting machine. It does everything, from scarification to planting, with high accuracy and eco-friendly methods. It forms and compacts soil mounds, tracks planting data, and offers simple 2-button control. Introducing the Barco 930B from Trax Plus, a forestry powerhouse with 320 horsepower and hydraulic load sensing. Built to handle rough terrain, its unique joint design keeps it stable and efficient even in tight spaces. Here's the Savanna Magnum 140 bedding plow. With 4 discs, it creates clean and consistent planting beds, easy to maintain and very effective for tillage.